When you know the oneness of life, when you realize the unity of the existence, there will be love in your heart and divine in your experience. Love is not a goal by itself. Love is a doorway that opens up possibilities which you would completely miss if you are in states of anger, resentment, frustration, hatred. If you are in a state of love, the doorway of your heart is open. In this state, you would recognize the source of creation that we refer to as divine in every cell of life, in every atom of this existence, and in every empty crevice of this cosmos. Without knowing the sweetness of love and the overwhelming nature of the divine, life is yet to be touched. Unless you touch the divine in the very core of who you are and in every crevice of life and beyond, human life is not yet. It's my wish and my blessing, every one of you should know the bliss of the divine.